Oh, of course, we are back at another school for some storytelling. Bye!
What is so special about this week? Yes, it is Book Week. What is Book Week all about? Yes, it's about dressing up. We do get to dress up, yeah? It's about books, yeah? It is about books, yeah? Oh my goodness me. Bruh. It's about your well-being. Love that. Yes, anybody else? Yes, Florence.
It's Book Week and Wellbeing Week.
It's Book Week and Wellbeing Week combined together. Come on now. Yes.
Reading.
It is about reading. Beautiful, yes. It's about different activities. So I want you to talk to the person next to you. Tell them, what book are you reading at the moment? What book are you reading at the moment? And what do you love about that book? What book are you reading and what do you love about that book?